Thanksgiving is just around the corner. And it's not only a feast of delicious dishes, but also a wonderful time to gather with family and express our gratitude. From the aroma of roasted turkey to the classic pumpkin pie, every dish brings a warm holiday spirit. What are your traditions, favorite foods, or special family memories? Let's talk about this heartwarming holiday through a couple of conversations. Conversation 1. Anna is browsing through the gift shop at the airport, picking out a few souvenirs when Beth walks in. Hey, Anna, fancy seeing you here. Are you traveling for Thanksgiving? Hi, Beth. Yes, I'm heading back home to see my family. I'm just picking up a few last-minute gifts for my parents. They love these little trinkets. That's sweet. I almost forgot about gifts. I'm just here for the holiday, but I might need to do some shopping too. How was your flight experience? Oh, it was a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. I had to book my ticket weeks in advance because the prices skyrocketed. I nearly missed out on a decent fare. I know what you mean. I waited too long and ended up paying way more than I expected. I was on the edge of my seat, hoping to find a last-minute deal, but it didn't happen. It's crazy. Everyone seems to be flying home for the holidays. I even saw a family at the gate arguing over their boarding passes. It was intense. Wow, that sounds like a scene from a movie. But I guess it shows how much people want to be with their families. It's really important to be together during this time. Absolutely. I can't wait to sit around the dinner table with everyone, sharing stories and laughing. Thanksgiving just wouldn't be the same without family. And the food. I can already smell the turkey and pumpkin pie. It's like the holiday spirit fills the air. Yes, it's all about gratitude and togetherness. No matter the travel chaos, it's worth it when you finally get to hug your loved ones. Exactly. I'm planning to surprise my sister with a gift. She's been really stressed at work, and I just want to remind her how much she means to me. That's a lovely idea, Beth. Little gestures can really mean a lot, especially during the holidays. Thanks, Anna. Well, I should probably grab a few gifts too before my flight. Let's catch up later and share our Thanksgiving stories. Definitely. Have a wonderful trip and happy Thanksgiving. You too, Anna. Enjoy your time with family. Conversation 2. Lisa is in the supermarket, pushing her cart down the snack aisle, when she runs into Rachel. Hey, Lisa, great to see you. What are you up to? Hi, Rachel. I'm just picking up some things for our Thanksgiving football night. I'm setting up a cozy corner at home for the family to enjoy the game. That sounds like so much fun. What do you have on your shopping list? Well, I already have the sofa set up, but I'm grabbing some soft cushions and a big, warm throw blanket to spread out on the floor. I want it to feel inviting and comfortable for everyone. You know, something that makes everyone feel cozy and relaxed while we cheer for our team. That's perfect. You can never have too many blankets and pillows. Are you planning to make any special snacks? Definitely. I'll whip up some homemade chili and make sure to have plenty of chips and salsa on hand. And of course, we can't forget the wings. They're a must for game night. Yum! That sounds delicious. I love the idea of having traditional food. It really brings everyone together, doesn't it? Exactly. Plus, I'm going to bake my grandmother's famous apple pie for dessert. It's a family tradition, and everyone loves it. It reminds us of all the warm times we've had together. You're really making it special. I can almost picture it, the laughter, the cheering, and the delicious smells in the air. Yes, and I'm planning to set up some cozy lights around the room to create a warm atmosphere. I want it to feel like a little retreat for everyone to unwind and enjoy the night. That's such a great idea. You're inspiring me. I should do something similar at my place. I want to create a fun, memorable Thanksgiving night for my family too. You totally should. It's all about making those connections and enjoying the time together. If you want, you can come over and see how I set everything up. You'll get some great ideas. I'd love that. Listening to you talk about it has made me excited to arrange a special evening for my family. I want them to have a relaxing, enjoyable time. That's the spirit. Let's make this Thanksgiving one to remember. We can even share recipes and tips to make it perfect. Sounds like a plan. I can't wait to get started on my own Thanksgiving corner. Me too. Let's keep in touch and share our experiences. Happy Thanksgiving, Rachel. Happy Thanksgiving, Lisa. See you soon. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.